Good morning, guys. It is Monday and I am back. I'm about to get back into action. It's humid. The sun's not really out, but it's kind of cloudy. It's really humid. Still tire shopping. So I got my tire situation situated. I just went ahead and purchased them, and I'm coming back in the morning to get them put on. We're on our way to our next stop. The weather looks like it's gonna hold up, so I'm gonna try to go do a mosquito treatment and a pest control treatment for one of my customers at Discount Tire. And I was gonna wait until tomorrow to get these tires put on, but I'm gonna go ahead and let them put it on. Now, raining for a second, and I'm gonna reschedule everything. It's the outside waiting area. You got this little tent and everything set up. They got areas in the inside that you can actually sit in also, but I just decided to chill on the outside. Alright, so finally got my new tires. A whole lot more aggressive than what I originally had. Just got through riding, testing out the new tires. They rode really well. No sound. The steering wheel doesn't feel much heavier, just a little bit. But I mean, the weather kept looking like it was gonna rain. It did rain in a few spots, so I just kind of laid back, kicked back this week. It looks like it's showing rain all the way until Friday. Today's Monday, so I might be taking it easy doing some online stuff for the next 3 days. I don't know, but I'll be taking you guys along to let you see what I do. So I was able to achieve the look I was looking for. Got a much more aggressive tire tread. Pattern is a whole lot more aggressive, and the tires are a little bit larger. So this is the look I was going for. Much more aggressive tire pattern, or tread pattern, I guess you would say. And it's a whole lot more flush. It's no poke, but it's flush. It's the rear. Rides really well. Anybody know me know that I love breakfast. But tomorrow is going to be a totally different thing, which I'll tell you guys on my intro tomorrow. But this is where I am. I don't know if you guys can see that.